Leaders Montego Bay United will seek a hat-trick of wins when they travel to Clarendon to face Chapelton Maroons at the Turner's Oval in the Wray and Nephew Jamaica Premier League on Sunday.
It was a narrow escape for Montego Bay United on Wednesday when they got the better of Dunbeholden 4-3 at Jarrett Park. Sometimes that's what it takes if you are to be champions, grinding out results. But close games can sometimes raise blood pressure as well. That's why Coach Xavier Gilbert is calling on his troops to be smart in how they execute matches. That result came after a comfortable 4-0 win over Waterhouse, but travelling to Chapelton Maroons can also pose a threat.
We just got in discipline in terms of areas where we're supposed to play. We weren't playing in those areas. Things that we were supposed to, we just didn't do. And then we got some players got a little bit emotional in terms of some things, cars not going away. You got to keep your head. You got to be smart. If we want to be a championship team, we got to learn to hold our cool.
Second place, the Racing United, who suffered a blip in a 4-0 defeat to Arnett Gardens, bounced back with victory over Chapelton Maroons in midweek. They'll be looking for more against a wounded Tivoli Gardens, who cannot find their rhythm so far this season. With the 10 defeats this season, including a 2-0 loss on Thursday to Arnett Gardens, Tivoli could be hard-pressed to get something from the encounter. Waterhouse and title holders Cavalier will meet in the battle of the form teams at Jewsland. In their last 5 matches, Waterhouse have picked up 12 points while Cavalier collected 13. If you were to go by the records against each other, then Waterhouse hold the advantage with the only win in their last 4 meetings. Arnett Gardens, fresh from back-to-back wins, will host Harbourview at the Anthony Spalding Sports Complex. The two are fighting on different fronts, with Arnett seeking a playoff place, while the Stars of the East are in a dogfight to avoid relegation. With a 4-0 victory over Racing United and a 2-0 win over Tivoli Gardens, the Junglists are on a roll as defensively they're getting things right.
Consistency is what we're demanding from the players, and back-to-back games is good, and our objective is to get a 6-game winning streak.
In the other game scheduled for Sunday, Dunbeholden will be at home to Malines United. All matches start at 3:30 p.m. except at Jewsland at 6 and the Anthony Spalding Sports Complex at 7.